I kind of have everything I need at all times because I'm a Girl Scout. Hey, it's Steph Shep, and I'm gonna spill it. So I brought my beloved Hermes. I got this purse as a gift for my birthday a couple years ago. So what do we have? Okay, first things first. These are my favorite sunglasses. Everyone on Instagram is always asking me what these sunglasses are. They're Celine and they don't make them anymore. They're super dark and shady. And they're the only ones I ever wear. This is weird, but I have it. I travel with a medical mask because people don't know how to cover their mouths when they cough and sneeze. And then to further my germophobia, I have a little LYSOL to go because you never know. What else do we have? Ugh, bless. This is from the Blue Lagoon in Iceland, and I went with Kim and Courtney maybe 3 years ago. And this, I am telling you, is the best lip balm. I just really lather it on. The more the better. It's minty. You can also get this on Amazon. You don't have to go to Iceland. Okay. Oh, I have my phone, my Pixel 3. This is a little extra, but you just never know. I have these Masquerade under eye pads. I'm like not afraid to wear face masks in public. I don't care because, you know, I just don't. And my skin's more important than your opinion. But this I actually just met with Days for Girls, and it's a reusable pad. And they distribute these in developing countries to girls who don't have access to menstrual hygiene products. It doesn't look like a pad, it looks like a washcloth, so people, you know, so the girls aren't embarrassed. These can last up to 3 years. And I just like to carry it because I feel like it's a good conversation starter when someone's like, well, what is that? I'm like, well, let me tell you my spiel. Cute, right? I know this is weird, but I love this pen from Staples. It's like kind of like a thin Sharpie, and it's the only pen I can write with. I don't know if anyone else is really weird about when they're writing with pens and they have to have a specific pen that they like to use. I may be the only one. I don't know. Hopefully not. My wallet. Good to have a wallet. You know, I'm an adult. I have wallets. My Beats. I'm a businesswoman, and we roll calls all day. Little scrunchie. This hair, you know, like I have to put my hair back when I eat. I can't really function with my hair. That's it. Thanks for watching Refinery29. To see more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.